quick vlog for y'all because I had 2 failed video attempts because plans just didn't work out. So today I'm going to a family reunion. We are family. I got all my sisters in me. But yeah, so I'm finna get ready, get in the shower, get presentable to look like a human being, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, y'all, I gotta do my hair. I think I already know what style I wanna wear, like how I wanna wear it. So this should be pretty simple. Do a little time lapse for you guys, and you'll see the finished results. I'm gonna show y'all my full outfit. I don't know how my shoes go with it, but I really wanna wear them, so we're gonna see. Okay, hey, I'm out of breath. Look, my cousin and her boyfriend, they're back there. We walked all the way, let me show y'all. We walked all the way back there, and I didn't vlog not once. And then I just realized it. So I was like, I waited till I get to the top to realize that we didn't vlog. Oh my gosh, it's a goat. So I'm gonna go back down for you guys. I could use a little exercise anyway. I ain't been to the gym in a couple days. But yeah, most of the family isn't out here yet because we're kind of here a little early. So yeah, I'm gonna just time lapse maybe for you guys, or I might just speed it up. I ain't gonna walk that far because like it's not really that much out here. I just want you guys to see the pond and how the trees look and stuff. And I never showed y'all my outfit, so hold on. Okay, this is the fit. Slay. Okay, that's the outfit. I'm not gonna hold you, I'm sweating really bad. I'm not in no walking shoes neither, but hey, we thugging. Yeah, I'll get back. You see how bad I'm sweating? I'll get back to you guys.
It is hot as a witch's coochie out here.
We're doing something whenever we start doing stuff. They're cooking at the moment and stuff, so we're just chilling. I'm gonna go back under the tent with the air and whatnot because being out here, it's cool. If I had a chair in a tent, I would definitely stay out here by the pond, but I don't. Just sun in a grass spot. But ain't nothing wrong with a little sunbathing. I might end up doing it before I leave. So until I see you guys. Okay, y'all, I took my shoes off to get grounded. I came back from that way. It's a great day over there. I might show y'all. There's some chickens over there. But I'm gonna go to this pond because we were just over there at the other pond. And I want to see what this pond talking about because I like the way it looks. That's the kind of yard I want. When I say I want to live in the country with a big yard, this is what I mean. Bro, y'all, why my phone turned off on me when I was vlogging? I was just talking to myself because it's hot. So my phone gave me a temperature warning. I'm like, I can't do nothing. Okay, we're down here. I'm gonna probably go over there to see what that's talking about because it looks so beautiful out here. And I kind of want to see a duck. Hopefully you don't attack me. Hopefully. Okay, guys, we're in the middle. This is what it's looking like. I do want to walk this whole thing, but I'm probably do it later. It's hot as heck out here. This all water. Is Georgia a wetlands? It's giving. I think. Well, I learned this in school, but that was in elementary school. I forgot. And a family of geese. I ain't even gonna. They look like they're ready to nuck if you book. I made a pit stop at my cousin's house. Yeah, it was hot out there, y'all. But I'm coming back. She's over here finishing up cooking. Oh, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Say hey to my vlog.
Turn the fat to a dime, that's a double up. Fuck around.
I knew you better get out of my face. Get my shade. They're aggravating me. I'm just trying to chill. Thing one and thing two. I'm just trying to chill.
Like, I swear to God, I'm so motherfucking heated right now. Drop my damn lip on me. I'm finna go. I don't know if this is the outro for real, but yeah, basically I had a ball. We played with water. I had made my dad give me his sneakers because, man, I couldn't, bro, all that running.
What's wrong, okay? When I came down,
I ran her slides instantly. Like, that thing was literally instant. Oh, this ain't nothing. But we're finna leave now. It was fun. It really was, but my mom is ready to go. So, peace out. I told y'all this probably wouldn't be the outro. Well, I got hit in the eye with a water balloon. Shit ain't even pop. Just popped me in the eye. That's what it did. So if I have a black eye the next day, y'all know why. It was a freaking water balloon. Guys, it's the next morning. I know I did a closing for y'all, but I was like, I don't feel like I got enough footage. So today, I'm going to take you guys along with me. We're going to do a little mini family game / movie night later on. But right now, I'm headed to work. And I got to go to the grocery store to pick up some stuff because I'm making macaroni. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's approximately, what time is it? It's like 8. It's 8:47. So I'll see you guys when I'm in the grocery store. Okay, y'all, I'm off. I'm back. Keep the shirt. My name on the back. I can show y'all. We're back at the same place from yesterday. It is raining right now, so we're waiting on the rain to cool and everybody else to come back. So, I'll update you guys with any new things. For my little sisters, I'm just waiting for my friend to get here. My mom wanted to go get her. So now we're just finna walk because they bored. And we're in the country. I ain't really no service out here. So I really got nothing else to do but play.
Yeah, show them the ducks.
They seen them yesterday. I'm not going over there. This really what it looked like. The other view is over there. I'll probably get it again for you guys. Because I'm not sure what it looked like when I recorded yesterday.
That's a baby alligator.
Or view, I want to go over there to show. Okay, this is what I want to show y'all. This look like a golf course.
What is that?
Huh? What?
Figure out the gun.
A tire. This girl is so scared. She thinks she gonna see an alligator. And it's crazy because the baddest kids be the scariest one. Cause she knows she bad.
I'm not bad. I'm good.
Only the bad kids say that. Oh.
Then I'm bad.
Pictures over here are gonna be fine. Okay, y'all. Now I finally got here. I forgot to say y'all. We are in the liquor store now. We went to Walmart. We was just really chopping it up, talking. I'm not really gonna vlog as much as I usually do because like this is the sun is good right here. But this is still a family reunion and I'm enjoying the family time aspect of it. So that's really what I've been on. We're in the middle of it.
Into the thick of it.
We low-key scared because like what if it's like soft ground right here, but then you see the tracks. I forgot they do be riding their cars through here. So we're just finna keep walking and we're really finna just enjoy the time. There's some birds over there. Let me see if y'all can see them. Not really. But we're finna really just enjoy the rest of this time and then go back up there. Oh, there they go. I'm scared to get by him, bro.
Y'all, it is amazing out here.
Girl, bye. Look, we in the window screen. What do you mean when the pond smoke? The pond's steaming. I think this a homemade pond. I think these man-made ponds. I don't know. There's fish in there. I know. If not, damn, I know it's tadpoles in there. Family reunion. Twin. When you say you and your girl some birds, us. It's like, they had the man make this. It's too many. Unless I just don't know how nature works. And then it's another one right here. It's giving golf course. Cause like, what is he doing? Happy birthday to you. That's that premium Angus. That's that Wagyu beef.
You see that? Get in, go ahead and get out.
Get in it. I'm back home. I'm finna get in the pool though. We're chilling. I can't show you guys this, so I'm gonna hit y'all up when I'm in the pool. Damn. Deuces, I'm gonna blur that out. Hopped in the pool. Oh my gosh, my skin look cute. Okay, fuck it. I hopped in the pool. Shit. I thought it was gonna be cold, but it's not cold. The water is warm. I don't know why the water is warm, but you know, it's kind of. I'm glad it's warm and not super cold because I got scared and thought my body was gonna go in the shot, but it wasn't even cold. So now, everybody else gotta jump in the pool. They're being lame.
That big ass
Jump in. Unless y'all all pussy, just say that. I understand. I ain't gonna peer pressure if y'all scared.
You lost.
If y'all, that's not the point.
I'm telling you, fast.
She gonna sit there and just jump straight in and tell nobody, okay, I'm finna do this.
That's not the.
Just made it like that motherfucker. Like, you could have just went viral.
Exactly.
That was a viral moment.
Right.
A real deal viral moment.
You just fucked me all up. So what? They just said, oh, boom, like literally just stopped mid what she was saying, just hop straight in.
But that's not the point.
That is the point.
They need to jump in there.
We gonna jump in, but I ain't
scared.
doing it like that.
Y'all,
Sound like you talking about steroids. So.
I'm black as fuck.
Steroids, they shoot that shit up like camera.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, we like the Ninja Turtles. In the shadows.
I think it's just because it's under the umbrella, y'all.
Shadows.
It's because it's under the umbrella. Oh, shit.
God damn, she about to beat me up. Oh my god.
Bruh, they still ain't got in the pool, though.
Hell no. You just gonna pop it out.
We just got out the pool. It is like, we just checked the time. It's like 3:36 or 3:38. We're getting out the pool now. We've been in the pool since like 1 something. The pool was just weirdly warm. Like, it was so relaxing. You could have told us this was a hot tub, huh?
You got the towel. Let me get your sweater.
No, I was finna get my sweater. You get all walking back. This nigga, he's shivering like, he look like a penguin. Nah. Nah.
I almost bust my ass.
Bruh, I was so weak.
You got my other side.
Yo, sock, I got your phone.
You got my other side.
No. Okay, y'all, we back. I'm back in my room. We finally back out the pool. I should have recorded more in the pool now that I think about it, but we was vibing. It was a good time. They finna make me drive the boat, though, because I made them drive it, so come on. Drive. Oh, that's Nickel. That's Nickel.
And that's how, folks.
Oh, my God. Bro. Bro.
Okay.
We'll get back to y'all when this little kick in, because they finna drink the rest of this. Well, I don't know what they talking about. Or every time I vlog and you over here, I find a video of you on my phone. It's like, damn, you don't want me to send it to you or no shit? You just motherfucker.
You can send them, because I'm God. I be having every time I go around people where I got videos on somebody's phone. I'm gonna try another experience. I'm gonna get another double take, though. I think that shit look good.
A double take?
Yeah. It's like when you got a dark shade Oleo tape on.
Yeah, look at her face. Just piss off.
A double take.
Yes.
But this is the definition of a double tape. You see it?
No.
Like a dark shade on top of my tape line.
Why the ring spinning? Just a little bit.
You spinning.
You spinning.
Oh, God.
You done made us take about 50 each other.
No, I didn't.
We over here at Twin
Y'all
Jewel.
wanna
I'll
play a
tell
game? I got one game here. The rest of the games at our house.
I'm about to cook some shit up, man. Gonna cook some shit up, man. Y'all call me Quay. What?
Don't use up all my space. Don't use up all my tap. Bitch, that's my second ball. You hit it, tap it. No, bruh.
I thought you was about to cook it. Oh,
Tap
like this?
Bruh.
Oh, what the fuck is going on?
This is my singing
Tap the
ball.
outside of like.
Hold on. First of all,
Oh, tired shit.
you should.
Oh, you got a line of chakras with it, ain't it?
Yes. Y'all.
Oh,
He gonna use up all my. Switch finna use up all my storage. Watching me fall. That's crazy. They really watched me fall.
No, we did not.
Yes,
y'all.
they watched me fall.
It was
bruh.
dark as fuck, and she walking through the house.
Technically.
No, technically, she walking through the house.
She was still on her feet.
She tripped over something and she fell over and fell into the door, y'all.
Fuck that
No.
shit. I feel they watched me fall. I'm sitting down.
How can we watch you fall in this dark?
Hello.
How does y'all feel if the sky started falling?
But look at the moon though. I'm finna take a picture of that bitch so y'all can see what I'm talking about. It look like an orbit.
Come on, hit it. Hit it. Yeah. 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 Wow. Wow. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Boo. 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 Boo.
Hold on the rail so you
Hold on the rail. Yeah. Okay, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. That's it for. That's all I have for you guys today. It was fun. I had fun, and we got toe up. Well, we didn't get too toe up. We was good. We was in a good little mood. So until next time, bye.